got his get in on that sideways. There was a bunch, but he scared him off. Oh, here they come. He's knocking that fried chicken out. I don't know, they're kind of like cannibalism. Or... Look like the crow's eating a lot more, and then the little chickadee bird's gonna go up there and grab some. Wow. I've never seen them eat. They've been tearing that fried chicken up. Then the bigger one comes up. He's supposed to knock that thing out too. They're kind of all just jumping in on it. Different ones everywhere. Wow. I always wondered if they eat stuff like that. You know, some of them do, some of them don't, I guess. Look like that's mostly crow birds now, or blackbirds. They're all waiting to see who's gonna do what. But the big one is definitely eating the most. I think they were kind of left for now to see what happens later, but... Huh, that's kind of interesting.